Okay, all the YouTubers, I just got this from the mail. It's the Powerextra Battery Grip, which fits the Canon 5D Mark IV. Model number is BG-E20RC, and that's for a radio control, what RC represents. And I'm not going to unbox this, but I'm going to show you what you get in it. First of all, you get the instructions. And you get the wireless radio control, which has a battery in it already, and the unit itself. Now, I'm inspecting this. It's built pretty good. I want to make sure that none of this glue comes off this rubber here. It's really well built, and this one here is where you put the batteries in. You pull it out, get a quarter turn, and it slides right on out. And I'll show you how to install the batteries in it. Okay, the next thing we need to do is install the batteries on the battery carriage. You can see there's these contacts here, and here's one of the contacts for the battery. You give it a slight downward placement and put it down. Same thing on the other side, downward, and there you go. Okay, the next thing we need to do is install the battery carriage back into the unit. Slide it on in, push all the way in, take this locking dial, turn it quarterways, clockwise, push it up, and secured. Now all we need is a Canon 5D Mark IV. Okay, we got a Canon 5D Mark IV next to the battery grip, and we're going to install the battery grip into the camera. First thing needs to be done, you need to remove this battery door. Just flip it open. There's a little thing in here. You push it to the left and it comes right off. Next thing to do is you need to put it into the battery grip by just sliding it in, and it's secured. So next thing we do is install the battery grip into the camera. Start turning this knob to the direction of the arrow, which says lock. Make sure it is tightly secured. Yes, you can see the red light came on, so it made good contact. So next thing we do is turn on the camera, and there you have it. It's on. Okay, the next thing we need to do is test the remote wireless controller on the camera. Now, you don't need to have the Wi-Fi on the camera. It could be disabled. However, you need to turn on this little switch here, which turns on the Wi-Fi on the battery grip. And all you need to do is push the button, and the camera should start autofocusing on the subject that you need to take a picture of. Press it down, and it takes a picture. I'm going to show you right here on the camera. When you push the button down on the remote, it starts to focus in on the subject. Just keep holding it down until it focuses. Let's see. Okay, finally it gets it in focus and it takes a snap. A photo, that is. So that's pretty much it. As far as I'm concerned, this is a pretty good product. And it's called the Powerextra Battery Grip for Canon 5D Mark IV model BG E20RC. Thank you for watching.